Management Trade Union. So I have some of the demands with me. Like for the pay structure, whatever you are giving, I'm demanding a little more overtime pay, better canteen facilities, and Diwali bonus as well. So with the first topic, give more overtime pay. Like people are over here little bit in problem with the overtime pay because they are not satisfied and there being lot of issues in the overtime and timing issues as well. So can you just
Actually, what we are thinking is right now there is a lot of overtime. That is because a lot of the thing is manual labor. So what we are thinking right now is we are going to automate all the machines. So if the machines are automated, overtime is going to be reduced. So I think if the overtime is not there, then the overtime pay will not come into picture.
But for automation, it will take time. So till then, we are going for overtime, right? So for that reason, we should look after the people who are going for overtime.
But the automation is nearly done. The machines are over. They are already in the storage. So the only thing is that it will hardly take 1 week for the machines to come into the factory and start work. So it's a matter of only 1 week now.
So the people who have done till now the overtime, so you won't be improving anything for them.
What is done is done, right?
Yes.
So taking that into consideration only, we want to reduce the overtime right now. So the automation is being done. So I think for this month only 1 week is remaining. So after that, anyways, it's going to be automated.
So for this whole week, people are going to do overtime. So are you doing anything? You are doing it for this 1 week or no?
The thing is, the payroll already goes into the this thing, and it's only 1 week.
So overtime you can give it, right?
But it was decided in the contract that till December, this is the overtime pay which was agreed upon.
But people are going for overtime for this particular
Yes,
system.
but it was agreed previously depending on the contract. So for the next thing, if the overtime continues and we are not able to automate the machine, then we will think about it, right? But for this 1 week, since it's already been documented, we can't do it. For the next quarter, if there is no automation plan done, and if the overtime continues, then we can look into it.
But people are expecting few things because next 1 week you need the people work for overtime.
So the what right now what you were demanding overtime was not for the next week, right? So it was for the future, right? You are not coming paid for 1 week. You are not going to come. You are not demanding the overtime for the next 1 week. You
I
are
was saying that
the
the
overtime.
hours are not satisfied with
Yes,
the overtime
yes.
this whole month they have done, and they wanted a pay increase for that overtime rate because the overtime was
They
previously
should
mentioned
mention
of
the
2 to
concern
3.
before, not at the end.
Yeah, because
So
they have
because
come
it's
up
gone.
like the previous one, like few people came and
And
now
the
more people are
overtime
coming.
is
So
not-
for that reason,
And
I
overtime already it was stated in the contract. So and it was decided in agreement with the workers. So it was already pre-decided. For the next month, if automation doesn't take place and overtime is continued, then we'll revise the fees. For the next month, that is for sure. But for this month, since it was already suitably fine.
But people, I don't think so. The next week, people will be coming for overtime if you are not going for any change because they
Even
are
if
facing
it
problem
seems-
from the December first week. We
Okay,
came to
even
that.
if you say that, even if I agree, changes can't take place in 1 week, right? Even if I'll have to put the proposal and change 1 week. It takes time to get the overtime into action. So even if you say that I want to do right now 1 week, it wouldn't be possible anyways. Paperwork takes 1 week of time. So 1 week of time is anyways necessary. So if the automation doesn't take place, 1 week Jan is going to start, then it will come into.
So you will give it on writing. Actually, I don't feel like automation, if you are bringing, it will be completely applicable from the next week itself. Automation requires a little time to get established in the company and then it will start.
No, that is done. The training has already been provided and the machines are already there in the company. So since the plan is already in progress, after 1 week it will start.
Okay, if at all it is not done, then you will be revising your pay structure for the overtime. From the end of the December.
So this is end of December. So from 1st of Jan, the next quarter we can do.
Okay, I will convey it to you. And the
So the production of automation of production line is okay, right?
automation of production line, I don't think like it's your wish, and people will be getting cut off with that automation, I guess so, right? Are you
I
planning to get
think
cut off the people
The-
resources?
The same people are being trained in the automating the use of machines. Machines can't be used as it is. So
But
people
are you
will
planning
replace
to
them.
go like cut off the people number of
So
resources?
the number of people will not be cut down. So they will be trained in other parts, in other vacancies also. So the plan is already there and the training has already been started for those
And
people.
no more overtime from the next thing, like.
So if the automation is done, it is successfully implemented, overtime will not be there, so I don't think the overtime pay issue will come. But if it is there and we find that people are really being overworked, then we can consider the issue, but I think it won't be there.
For sure, you're not cutting down the people, like you're not cutting down the resources, as well as you will be checking out for the overtime pay in the next month if your automation fails.
Yes.
If your automation fails, right? So you will be installing the automation as per this. And
But if you want to go for overtime and pays and everything, the thing is, people have been taking a lot of breaks. So the stipulated time is, if they are taking breaks longer than the duration. So a bit of reduction in the breaks will take place.
But that won't help, no. If they're taking more breaks, that like I don't think my people are taking breaks first of all, because if they're doing a overtime, so they require some kind of break in
It's
between
not
them.
only for the overtime, just for the normal duration also. And since overtime is not going to take place, so let's not discuss about the overtime thing. So it's only about the breaks and even the normal.
But I
period.
think that people require overtime because all these are manual work.
So
And
if the manual part is going to be stopped and it is going to be automated, so overtime is not going to be an issue.
but
So
is there
that
any
is okay.
record of like people are doing extra, like they're taking extra breaks? But I haven't seen that. So for
I
that,
think
if
the
you're
targets,
reducing the
the
breaks,
targets which were also pre-decided, even that is being not achieved. So the breaks, even for the lunch breaks, people are exceeding their time. So
I don't feel like my fellow workers are doing so because I'm working with them, I'm there with them, and I feel they whatever breaks they are taking, and people are there to suffice. If half of the workers are going for break, then half of the workers are there to work.
yeah,
And
but
they are
what we know,
taking-
ours is a production line, it's an assembly line. If half of the people is not there, the half of the work
Listen.
gets disturbed.
No,
so
no, it's not
there is
about
not
the work.
replacement.
I'm not talking about the work. In every sector, in every unit, 4 to 5 people are there. I take like we
See,
all
if there
make
are 10
sure.
machines and if there is one person, we don't have replacements
No, no,
for
no.
them. We can't afford 2 people for the
There is
same
nothing.
work, right?
No, in every part, in every unit, I have seen, like, I have mentioned, like I have already told you, and I have given you the plan. Like in every unit, at least 3 or 4 people are working in there.
For
Yeah.
see,
In
there is
every unit, I am saying. So,
if there is an assembly line, if there are 10 machines, there will be people working, 1 person per machine. So
So
you
I-
can't have extra people.
so
if a
I
person
have-
is stopping the work and going for a break, there is
Nobody
no
is-
other person to work over there.
till
Right?
now, nobody has stopped your work process because I have seen if there is no, if you can bring any issue like any one of the unit is not like one of the
Okay, the
unit people
records
are
are
not there.
already there. I can share the details. with
Yeah,
you. That
you
is
can
not
share
issue.
the details, but I am
So
sure
if
that
there is a
this
problem,
doesn't
the
happen.
breaks will be reduced. There is a problem. I'll share the Excel with you because people have been.
But give me the proof first because I haven't got anything and I know my people are working and people are there whenever the like. If few people are going, there are people who are replacing their work.
there
and
are
just
no
kind of-
workforce to replace the people. From where will people come for replacing them?
It's not that.
If there are 10 machines and if there are 10 people during that time and if 2 are not there, so where will other people come from to work? There are no people to work.
These
Right?
are people, right? If you are saying so, but I don't feel because in each unit there are
See, if
2
you're
to 3
saying
people.
replacing the people, we can't recruit people just for the breaks, right?
I'm
There
not
has to
saying
be-
it's not replacement for a break, but if you are saying like people are there, if at all there is only one unit for one, people have to go for their break, right?
So people have to go for
So,
the break, but
so
if they are
if
increasing the
something-
times, then the
They are
issue
not
has to be
increasing
there.
their time as per my aspect, and
So
people
that's not happening. As per the records, people are increasing their breaks, so they are not there. So this break timings will be strictly followed and they will be reduced.
you can why?
Because
but why
what
to
we are
reduce it?
saying
I'm
is
not. I'm not
because
understanding.
there's a
it.
lot of time being wasted. People are being seen going out of the office and doing their own personal work.
That is your
also.
own. If they are coming in within that time, then why to reduce the breaks?
So we can increase the machinery, and if our product increases, then even their payment can be increased. So
It's
this
like
is
it's a very different thing. You are going a different line. If it is there, then it is not there, right? I'm just saying
See,
like why
if
to
people work, then only it possible, right? Otherwise, how come we can?
No, I'm just saying like reducing the breaks is not feasible. If you say like people are not coming and if you can do another steps if you want, then it's okay. But reducing the break time is not feasible because already you are giving
one
one
break is not there. Then how can we make sure that the overtime payment and everything will be there? Efficiency has to improve, sales have to improve. Then only company
overtime payment is
profits
after some
will come.
particular time, not in the
Yes.
breaks. Actually, I feel
What?
so. Overtime.
Bind up.
Okay. So first thing is like if you have
And
said-
if there is people are not following the break rules and everything, and if they are going on their personal work or otherwise going out of office premises for their personal work, then even strict disciplinary action will also be taken upon them.
But as a thing like they are going for their like for the lunch and all, so that is a common thing. People go
Then if
out.
they are not satisfied, they should have informed
They
earlier,
are,
right? sir?
there is one point over there, but
They are not being informed earlier. So if it was informed earlier, we could have done something earlier.
I have brought it into action before.
So
also.
if the duration of the longer breaks is because of people going out for lunch, so if canteen facilities are there,
It's
then
not-
I don't think there is a point in
It's
longer
not
breaks.
longer
Then we can reduce
duration.
it. Right?
No, breaks
So
are not
everything
for
is
longer
safe.
duration.
Usually people are going out for longer duration because they take time to go to their homes or for other places, right?
I'm just
So
saying-
if that facility is provided within the campus, I don't think that much
Then
time
you
will be
should
wasted. Then
improve
the break timing
canteen
can,
facilities
then the
also
break
for-
time can be reduced, right?
Why to reduce the break time? I can't understand.
So
you are
if
saying
time
like
is
if you-
wasting, as pointed by you, if time is being utilized because they have to go out of the office facility for lunch and everything, obviously no time will take place. Instead, if the canteen facility is there inside the company, then obviously time will not be required that much. So they
you
can
can
come
when the
and
canteen facilities.
so if canteen facilities and everything is there, then break timings will be reduced because that much time will not
I
be
don't
required.
think-
And in spite of that, if people are not
I don't think you can
Reporting as
reduce
per
because the breaks were fully decided by you all for the but not of reduction of the breaks because breaks should be that and if you are seeing
So you
people
want to
are
say you
going,
want the canteen facility also and you want the same time again so that
It
people
should be
can
proper.
write it
You should
down.
look after
Plus
the people
increase
as
the
well.
wages and
No, the
everything. That is
break-
not going to happen, sorry.
it's not that. I'm just saying like you can't reduce the break time. That's it. Because
So
there
you
is
want-
that is a very like not a reason for just saying like you can reduce the break time just to see the overtime pay and all those things. No.
If people are, the time right now in the break as stated by you is being utilized for people to go out of the office to
Yes.
their homes for their personal work.
But they are
and
coming within the time. If you can prove me they are taking extra time, then
They
I will
are
take-
taking extra
you can
time and that
prove
is
it.
fine.
If
So
you
the
can
Excels
prove
will be
that-
shared, that is not. So if the
Yes.
Excels is shared, everything is done because anyways we record the
I-
outage time and the end time. So that
I
is
have
not a
seen
problem.
that people are not.
So the
there and
outtime
that is
and
not-
end time is automated, so I don't think there's any issue.
Yeah,
with
if
the
you can
machine
prove
phase.
that, then I
that
will
that
for
Excel
sure do that. But
So the
please
break
improve the
timings will
if
be-
you can add on to that.
Yes, so
please
the
add.
time taken by the people to commute from the office to other places outside the system or to their homes and back to the office. If
Mhm.
that is being solved by providing a canteen facility inside, obviously that time can be reduced, right? What is the problem in reducing that time?
But why are you taking that canteen? Actually,
See,
it's
I'm
only
saying
for
I'll
better-
provide the canteen. I'll provide the canteen and provide a better canteen. But if that is, then there is no need for people to go out. Then obviously the break time can be reduced. I don't think
they're
there is a
not-
problem.
Actually,
Where is the problem?
No, is the thing is like their house is just nearby. They are just going out, taking the food and coming back, and they are coming in time. I have seen that.
So if
And
they're
nothing
going
is
to
hampering
see,
and-
company is not going to pay for them going to their home and having lunch and coming
No,
back
but-
and having time with their family. That
It's
is
only
not one of
within
the
the
company.
break, whatever you have
Within the
mentioned.
company rules, it is stated that you are not allowed to go home for 8 hours is 8 hours and
Huh.
lunch provide the canteen facilities. So if the canteen facilities are good, I don't think they should go to their homes.
But
Even if
reduction-
they are nearby,
but-
even walking 10 minutes takes time, coming 10 minutes takes time. So 20 minutes is gone.
They are not going by walking. There are many people who have their own vehicles.
So
as well.
even going 5
there's
to
only
5,
5
10
minutes,
minutes.
10 minutes, yeah.
So right, so
10 minutes is not going to.
सुनो यार
affect
वाइंड अप
it's
कर
going
दो
to
बस ये
harm.
डिसाइड कर लो कि तुमने किसी चीज पे अग्री किया है कि नहीं
So we have agreed for that automation thing, and you have agreed for better canteen, and if you can,
better canteen only if the time is reduced for the breaks.
But if you can show me, no, the breaks is like for the things.
See, if people are going out for lunch and I'm providing, then what is the? I'll provide a better canteen if no one is
If-
going to have from. Then if they're going to go out and
The
get the time, so
problem,
what is
the problem is like you are not providing a better canteen.
So I'm
that's
saying
why-
I'll provide a better canteen and I'll reduce the breaks. I'm saying both. I'm not saying I'll not provide a better canteen.
People are there, like 1 hour is very less for them to have a canteen and go. And if you are
Please,
reducing
within
don't
a half
think
an
1
hour.
hour.
Like, and if there is, then what is the use of me
Then
providing a
no
better
issues, you
canteen?
don't have to prepare anyway. No canteen.
Week, if it's a stipulated time of 1 hour, if people are not coming within that 1 hour,
You prove
Then-
me first, then I will.
if
For
that
sure
is
we
true,
will have
we'll
one
have
meeting. Yeah, yes.
interdisciplinary action.
Yes.